Hello, welcome to Spy Money. We introduce you to the Ninja Suite. It is a bot that I run today on this Friday, and it did really well. Run several bots. Run one on NQ, which I've already posted a video on, and this one is on ES. So running on ES, it actually did really well. I'm real pleased with it. Normally what we do is look for a goal of 50% of our trade. So on this one, you would be at 250 per contract is what your goal would be to make money. But it kept on trading good, so I just let it go. I let the NQ go as well. And then I turned it off around 11 o'clock when the London session ends. And the reason I turn it off then is because usually the volume drops off. But as you can see, there was several more good trades that would have made money through here. So it actually did really well. Real pleased with it. And just kind of go over the trades. We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 23 winners is what we had there. And losers, we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, had 13 losers and 23, so that means that we had 10 winners on this. So 10 winners, it's going for $150 a trade, so it's about $150 less your commissions, brought you to $13.53.12. Very good day. This is only a $500 trade. Whenever I run the bots for demonstration, I run one contract. I let people decide how much they can make from there. If you run 10 contracts on this, then you'd be at $13,000 at the end of the day. Well, not the end of the day, but by 11 o'clock when we shut it off. As long as it is making good trades, I will let it run. And if you look back at this one in the very beginning, so we had this was net 0, net 1, 2, and then we had 2 right here back to back. That's 0, so we let it go. 1, 2, 3, back to 2, back to 1, 2, 3, and then we started getting good trades in there. So I just let it kind of run. As long as I was staying positive, that's all I cared about. And as long as I was green, then I'd let it just keep on trading through there. And it did really well. Again, shut it off like an hour and a half after we turned it on and up 13.53. I think the NQ was up, believe at 1700 is what we were up on the NQ with the Renko bot. And this one is SpyBot Renko. We introduced this bot. Been a while. I run it every day. It does very well with the U.S. Open. It'll work really well in the London session as well. Like this has been a good trade, good one, good one. Bad trade, good one, good one. And that would have been a good one, bad trade. This one would have been a break even. This one would have been a good one, good one, good one. So there's a lot of good trades in this area. These would be good. This one here would have been good. That one would have been. This has been a loser, winner, 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 and it just keeps on going. So the settings that we have will run pretty good for most of the markets. So as far as going from the opening session to the close of the session, it usually does pretty good. It's not a bot that I would just turn on and let run forever. I wouldn't do any bot, not only mine, but other people's bots. I would not do that as well. But this one, it does real well. Hit your goal, get out. I mean, if you were running this, you would have hit your goal. Let's see, what there, right here would have been your goal. So in 5 minutes, you would have hit your goal for the day on this bot. So you'd have been, these two canceled each other out. Here's $300 right here. 50% of your trade, so $500 trade, that would put you at 300. That is over that. And then you'd had 2 losers right here, and then you'd had more winners there. So if you'd have played it to right here, you would have been almost 100% of your goal. So it all depends on what you want to do. Also, you don't have to take profit there. If you see that, like on this one, you have zones all the way down, if we're coming down through here, you might say that, well, I think we will come back and hit this area right here. And so if you took the trade and brought it all the way down, you could have made a lot more money just on that. You don't have to take the profits where we have it, but you're better off to just go in, get your money, and get out. Again, like this one right here, if you'd have tried to hold it for longer, you would have maybe not made as much money. This right here was kind of a chop area. We barely got wicked out right there, just barely. One more tick, I would not have been stopped out on that, but it is what it is. We use settings that on average work pretty good, and that's what we go for. So how do you get started with the Ninja Suite? The way you get started, you come up to our website, SpyMoneyLLC.com. When you go there, you can click down here on the Ninja Suite. So when you click on that, it'll open up, bring it into the Ninja Suite, talking about everything that is in here and what is included. So what's included is all the indicators that you have, that I have on my website, you get access to. And you also get access to indicators that are not on the website. The only way that you can use these indicators is if you lease the Ninja Suite. We also have 3 bots that we use: the Beast, the Renko, and the Sweet Scalper. All 3 of these do very well every day. They have different strategies, and the Beast does very good. It's more of a longer play, and it'll go on NQ. Average is about $450 per contract per trade, and it does a very good job. It works best when it is on a range day, not a trend day. The Renko works pretty good on both, and the Scalper works good on both. So these 2 work on range or trend, and then the Beast works best when it's on a range day. So you can pick the 3 that you want. Usually the Renko, if you just run the Renko at the open every day, usually you're pretty good within about 5-10 minutes and you're done for the day. The live streams, we do live trading and live training. And I do that through a service where you can ask questions. We can allow you to talk and stuff, so it's open mic. Also, the Discord, we have that, and we have the charts, news, callouts, training, trades. Recently started doing options again, and so we're getting ready to start off a training on options, so that'll be included with your lease. Teach you how to trade the future options. Have different indicators that come with it, as we discussed up there. The 3 trading bots that we use, and some videos and so forth. You click right here and it opens up to the lease. You can go ahead and check out. As soon as you do that, you will get a bunch of videos. And in your videos, or in your account, you'll have all these videos that will go over what we're doing. So we've got the training videos, the setup instructions, the indicator downloads, the indicator tutorials, the bot settings, bot parameters, bot downloads. You get a free NinjaTrader course that teaches you how to use NinjaTrader. We have the Brad strategy. This is what I trade with every day. So I include that up there so that you can try to trade the way that I trade if that's what you like. Some people can trade it, some people can't. But the bots typically will do really well for you. So again, if you go up here to the Ninja Suite, click on that. That will open up to where you need to go in order to get the Ninja Suite. If you have any questions, you go up to the Contact Us. You click on that. That'll open up. During these 7 days, I was not getting the emails. So if you had tried to contact me on that time frame, then that's why I did not respond back. So just send me another one that is fixed, and I'll respond back and help you out. So if you need to talk to me, just put your phone number in and what time is best for you, and then we can go from there. Also, if you need a funded account, if you don't have the money to put in your account, then you can open up one of these 3. Click on these links up here. Tells you more about it. I put like just a diagram and talking about different things over here, how you can compare each one. If you're looking for long term to use it forever, the Apex is probably going to be your best bet. If you're looking for something to make money faster, UProfit is probably your best one. Earn to trade it takes longer to get through the valuation. It's a little bit harder because you have scaling. If I was going to do one to just try to make fast money, it would be UProfit. And if I was going to do one that was going to stay long term, it would be Apex because they only take 90. They give you 90% where UProfit and Earn to Trade give you 80%. So long term money, Apex is going to be your best one. But if you're looking for something to get fast money to put in your own live account and work at, UProfit is probably your best one. Down here, there's coupon codes that you can use. Make sure you click the link up there and put the code in, and it will work for you. So if you have any questions, just let me know. Again, just go to SpyMoneyLLC.com, and when you go there and get into the Ninja Suite, just click this right here, and this will get you started right on the home page. Real easy to do, and then you can start running the Renko bot like I did, and hopefully make what I made. So we'll be there to help you out, walk you through it, and make sure that you're on the right road to making yourself a better trader. Have any questions, let me know. Appreciate you.